If your doorknob keeps getting loose after you use it, you gotta know how to fix it fast so it doesn't drive you crazy or mess up your door. Okay, so first thing, grab a screwdriver because most doorknobs loosen because the screws holding them get all wobbly over time. Check both sides of the knob for screws and just tighten them up nice and snug, but not too hard or you'll strip the screw. If the screws seem stripped or won't tighten, swap them out for a slightly bigger size or use a toothpick with wood glue in the hole to give the screws something to grip. Another tip is to make sure the latch mechanism inside the door isn't loose or sticking. Sometimes that causes the knob to feel loose too. If your doorknob has a cover plate, pop that off gently to see the screws underneath. Sometimes they hide there. Also, keep an eye on the doorknob's spindle, the metal rod that connects both knobs. If it's damaged or bent, replacing it might be the way to go. If you're dealing with an old door, the wood around the knob might be worn out, so adding a small piece of wood filler can help tighten everything up. And lastly, regular maintenance every few months can stop your doorknob from getting loose in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose doorknobs is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which can lead to broken parts or a door that won't close right. Fix this by tightening the screws as soon as you notice any wobble. Another common issue is over-tightening screws, which strips them and makes everything looser. Using the right screwdriver and gentle pressure fixes this. The third mistake is not checking if the latch or spindle is damaged. People just focus on screws, but these parts wear out too, so inspect those and replace if needed to keep your doorknob working smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want a quick fix without stress. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by connecting with people ready to get projects done right away.